bhai, lots of love to you. It goes without saying bhai, but wish you a very 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 happy birthday. और भाई के बारे में क्या बोलूँ, सबसे छोटा है हमारे ख़ानदान का, बट यू नो हम सभी को इनफैक्ट उस पर बहुत नाज है, राइट. एंड आई एम दिस नो एग्जैजरेशन, आई मीन इट. Probably everybody means it, and nobody can beat it. And your PR, nobody can beat it. And your aura is basically unmatchable. You're awesome. You're lovely. We have spent a lot of time together, and not lot of time, but yes, whatever time we have spent together is awesome. And I still remember, it's still in my memory. मुझे नहीं लगता कि तू बहुत दूर है. मैं जब भी वो पलों को याद करता हूँ, आई लव इट. आई लव द टाइम वी हैव स्पेंड टुगेदर. तो आया था इंदौर और मैं तेरे को वहाँ से भगा दिया था. मैं बोला दिस प्लेस इज़ यूजलेस, गो टू पुणे. एंड आफ्टर 3 years when I came to Pune to prepare, we together wanted to prepare for CAT, and the day I landed, the time I landed in fact, I said कि no boss, this won't happen. And we, over a period of time, we shifted together to Bangalore, and that 1 year probably is, nobody can take it from us. I, you and Vijay bhai, and that was one golden time of my life. That 1 year was awesome. And देखो कहाँ से कहाँ कड़ियाँ जुड़ती जाती हैं. हम कभी नहीं सोचे थे कि हम सब लोग साथ में रहेंगे. And this all happened, and we went we were together. Right. और क्या बोलूँ भाई, बहुत कुछ है बोलने के लिए, बट ये टाइम कम है. आई विश कि हम लोग सब साथ में रहते हैं यहाँ पे इकट्ठे. तो मैं, विजय भाई, निधि, चेतन भाई, all of us together, and we would have a great time. We should have done probably something on our own, and life would have been different. This is also a good life, I know. तो जहाँ जाएगा वहाँ you will rock again, rock always. Wish you a very happy birthday, man. Enjoy.
हैप्पी बर्थडे शिवा भैया. मैनी हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे. हम लोगों को 20 साल हो गया. हम पुणे में सबसे पहली बार मिले थे. आपका एज शायद 40 है, तो जब आपका एज आधा था तब हम मिले थे पुणे में. मे यू लिव मैनी मोर ईयर्स एंड आवर फ्रेंडशिप ग्रो स्ट्रॉन्गर विद टाइम.
Hello Shiva, we would like to wish you a very very happy birthday.
Hi Shiva, happy birthday.
आपके लिए कुछ लाइंस लिखी हैं. शुभकामनाएं देने का तरीका समझ ना आया. वायरस के चलते हमने अपने आप को असमर्थ पाया. खुद मिलकर कहना क्या मुमकिन होगा, पर सरकार की नज़रों में तो ये बहुत संगीन होगा. सोचा वर्चुअल मैसेज देना ही है समझदारी. सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग में है अपनी भागीदारी. इसी संदेश के साथ हम यहाँ समाप्त करेंगे कि आप इस वर्ष सुख, संपत्ति और स्वस्थ जीवन प्राप्त करेंगे. हैप्पी बर्थडे वंस अगेन.
Happy birthday.
Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday!
I want to wish you all the best, all the good luck, and all the good health for you and for all your families. And I just want to say thank you for everything, for being so kind to me when I was working with you. Thank you for all your advices. Thank you being my friend, my brother. I appreciate everything. Thank you so much, and I keep remembering everything, and my employer before. Thank you very, very much, and all the best. God bless you. Again, happy birthday. Hope to see you soon again.
हैप्पी बर्थडे भैया, विश यू मैनी मैनी हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे। मैं बस इतना ही कहना चाहूँगा कि मैं आपसे बहुत प्यार करता हूँ और आप मेरे बड़े भाई हैं। काश आप यहाँ पर होते, हम साथ में बर्थडे एंजॉय कर रहे होते आपका। आज 15 साल हो गए मेरे को सिंगापुर छोड़े हुए, लेकिन आज भी मुझे वो दिन याद है जब मैं आपसे पहली बार मिला था। वीटा हॉस्टल की वही बालकनी और वही रसोई गैस जहाँ पे आप कुकिंग करते थे और आपको सिगरेट बेचे थे। लेकिन भैया वो एक एक पल मुझे आपका याद है, एक एक पल मैं कभी नहीं भूल सकता आपके साथ बिताया हुआ एक एक पल। आई विश के भगवान आपको और आपके परिवार को हमेशा खुश रखे, हमेशा।
Hi Shivaji. Few words would be too little to describe you. You were a very close friend, confident and stylish in our childhood. Now you are sheer gentleman who has treasured every relationship since I have known you. We share a lot of childhood memories like our tuition classes, Sundaram ma'am, Dubey sir, Verma sir, and the time which we have spent before and after classes. Then and now, you have always been there whenever I have needed you. You are just a phone call away. Lucky are people who have known you, know you now, and will get to know you in times to come. A very happy birthday, Shivaji. I wish you a beautiful, satisfying, best of health and companionship of your loved ones. Happy birthday again.
Matru bhai, happy birthday to you. Missing all those days in Raipur when we go for eating non-veg in thelas and also cooking with you. It's so much fun with you while doing everything and everywhere. Everybody around you should be agreeing with me that you are so caring and you're connected with everyone so closely and by heart that no one can forget you. We all love you too much, and especially me, you know, we are connected even we are not able to talk much, but we are always connected by heart. I'm missing all the days when we spent time in marriages and danced together and had fun. And do you know, life starts after 40. So enjoy your day, my brother. I love you. Happy birthday to you again.
हाय हैप्पी बर्थडे शिवा भैया, मे गॉड ब्लेस यू। आपसे मिले हुए 20 साल हो गए। पहली बार आपसे रिवेरा में मिली थी, पुणे में। आप और विशाल भैया कुछ किचन में बना रहे थे। आप मेरे लिए फ्रेंड से ज़्यादा एक बड़े भाई के जैसे हैं। बहुत सारी यादें हैं पुणे की, और क्या बोलूँ। May God bless you. Have a nice day. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Mamu. This is for you. 40वा वाढदिवसासाठी शुभेच्छा. आशा आहे की तुमला दिवस आनंदाने भरला आहे. तुमला दीर्घ आयुष्यासाठी शुभेच्छा.
Hi Shiva, wish you a very happy birthday.
लगभग 20 साल हो गए हमारी दोस्ती को, एक दूसरे को जानते हुए। और आप सिंगापुर में हो, वी डोंट गेट चांस टू मीट वेरी ऑफन, बट यू आर अ डियर फ्रेंड, यू नो दैट वी हैव स्पेंड सच अ लवली टाइम टुगेदर। और ये विश करते समय मैं अभी आपको वो जगह दिखाना चाहता हूँ जहाँ पर हम पहली बार मिले थे, रजत रश्मि अपार्टमेंट पूना में, कोरेगांव पार्क में। और अभी मैं उसके बाहर खड़ा हुआ हूँ। कोविड की वजह से अंदर नहीं जा सकते, नहीं तो मैं ज़रूर फ्लैट के दरवाजे तक जाता और दिखाता कि ये वो जगह है जहाँ पर हमने बहुत यादगार दिन गुजारे हैं। आपके हाथ का चिकन मुझे अच्छी तरीके से याद है, आप बनाते थे चिकन यहाँ पर और हम लोगों को खिलाते थे। सो वी हैव अ ग्रेट फॉन्ड मेमोरीज here, and this is the place where we first met. And again I would like to wish you a very happy birthday, have a great year ahead, and let's catch up wherever possible. If you come to India or if you happen to come to Singapore, have a nice day, have a nice year ahead. And of course I cherish the time we had spent in Singapore. I've been there and you were there. So it was great fun over there also. Bye, take care. Hi to Nidhi and to the kids. Bye, take care.
Hello Shivaji, many happy returns of the day. 40th birthday. I just don't believe that you have turned 40. अब मेरे को याद है तेरे को तो हाफ पैंट में मैंने देखा है, उसके बाद स्कूल, फिर कॉलेज, फिर पुणे में बहुत मस्ती करी हमने। And obviously I still remember one particular thing, the chicken tikkas you used to cook at home. It was absolutely delicious. I'm quite sure तुमने निधि को ज़रूर ये चिकन टिक्का खिलाया होगा. If not, Nidhi, this is for you. You have to ask him to cook chicken tikkas for you. It's definitely delicious. I tried multiple times here, but not to that level. I'm still trying though. I just hope that you guys are having a lovely day with your lovely kids. Enjoy, guys. Take care. Bye bye.
Dear sir, happy 40th birthday. I wish you a lot of happiness, and we love spending times with you. I wish you to have a lot of fun in 40s.
Hi Shiva, a very happy birthday to you. I'm looking forward to make chicken again with you very soon for everybody now. We have added a lot of more people now. Your wife, my kid and your kids. So have a very nice birthday and a year ahead. Take care. See you soon.
We have fond memories of Pune, the endless bikes ride to Banmaska, Lonavala, endless drinks, partying at Thousand Oaks. It has always been fun and cherished. Enjoy yourself, my dear friend. Have fun, and may God Ganesha always bless you. Bye bye. Take care and have fun.
Hello Shibu bhai, many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday bhai. Welcome to the club of 40. 40 is naughty, so I'm pretty sure you are going to have all the fun. As you had fun in the past, I'm pretty sure you will have fun forever. On this moment, I want to recollect some of our memories from the past. We had spent a lot of time together in summer vacations. Either you used to come to our house or else we used to come to your house, and I remember we were in Rajim, and we used to go to Rajim Nadi and do a lot of activities, chase common friends. So that was very nice. One of the recent memories I want to collect was basically from the Bangalore days. You and Jay had come together, and we had spent good amount of time, had a lot of fun. And there was one late evening or early morning, we had a knock on our door, and that was your love of life there, right? So nice things happened. One of the things that I want to definitely recollect was about I've been spending time with you since childhood, and then since the childhood you have been very respectful of everyone, your elders, your youngers, and that is a quality you still embody even now. That was very, very nice. And I've also seen that you are very helpful. You help others. You help parents. You help kids. You help everyone. So that's amazing. So Shibu bhai, enjoy your day. Enjoy your upcoming years and time forever. Have a great life ahead. Enjoy.
Hi Shivaji, wish you a very happy birthday. We are so happy to be wishing you today. It's been a pleasure knowing you all these years. I am so grateful that it's almost 14 years, I think 14 or 15 years now.
Years.
And I'm so happy that we met. Really, your family means a lot to us. And when you all joined us for the wedding, we were more than happy as part of the family. Really, so wish you a very, very happy birthday. You are such a wonderful person, so you deserve the best. And I'm sure you have got all the best in your life, like your family, Nidhi, your children, everybody. So I wish you get all the more good things in life in the future years to come. So once again, wish you a very, very happy birthday.
Hi Shivaji, wish you a very happy birthday. And as Rupa said, I remember all those lovely memories the last 15 years, and especially the very first day when both of us came to MDIS to meet you. One thing I want to learn from you is you are always quite calm, assured, and every time when I talk to you, I gain a lot of confidence, and whenever we meet you, I envy you for your calmness. And so those are all beautiful memories, and I hope and I believe that we have long years of more and more beautiful time, and we wish we should have been with you on your 40th birthday. Unfortunately, the situation is like this, and convey my wishes to Nidhi, your children, everyone. Once again, a great birthday for you.
Wish you a very happy birthday. Bye.
Bye.
Shivaji, happy birthday to the smartest and beautiful person in the world. Wait, did I say to you? No, it's me. मुझे याद है लोग मिले थे पूना में बन गार्डन में. तुम लोग रहते थे ए विंग में और मैं बी विंग में. तब से लेके आज तक हम दोनों की दोस्ती ऐसे ही बरकरार है. मुझे वो भी दिन याद है जब तूने जो तेरी अब बीवी है उसको प्रपोज किया था मेरे घर में. पूरी रात तुम लोगों ने बैठ के बातें की थी. आज भी वो दिन नहीं भूला हूँ. और इतना याद रख कि तेरी और निधि तुम दोनों एक मेरी वजह से. इतना कभी मत भूलना. तेरे जैसा दोस्त मेरी ज़िंदगी में आया ये बहुत अच्छी बात है. तो हमेशा मेरे साथ रहे. मुझे ये भी खुशी है कि जब मेरे पापा सिंगापुर आए थे तूने उनको जाके वहाँ पे मिला था. उनके साथ थोड़ा बहुत जो भी वक्त बिताया था वो भी मैं नहीं भूला हूँ. तुझसे मिल के बहुत अरसा हुआ है. तुझसे मिलना है. बहुत जल्दी मैं आऊँगा सिंगापुर. यहाँ तो अगर इंडिया आया तो हम लोग कहीं ना कहीं जल्दी ज़रूर मिलेंगे. अब लास्ट में तो विश कर रहा हूँ फॉर योर बर्थडे. आई वॉन्टेड टू गिव यू समथिंग दैट वॉज फनी एंड चार्मिंग, बट देन आई रिमेंबर यू ऑलरेडी हैव me in your life. So I am the person who is wishing you a very happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Bye.
Hello, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
आपसे हम मिले थे, मैं मिला था फर्स्ट. So what I really like that you have seen me as a bachelor, you've seen me getting married,
As a father.
you've seen me as a father, you're now seeing me bald. This is Corona, so that's the best hairstyle we have. And Sasha, आप पहली बार तो सिंगापुर में मिले ना? हाँ, सिंगापुर में मिले.
हाँ, yeah.
But I think the best time we've had together is when we came and stayed. Suvir आया था. And I think my favorite memory is all the kids sleeping together. That was my most favorite memory. Another favorite memory of mine is you cooking. जब
Yes.
नहीं, मैं और नरेश पहली बार इनके घर पे गए थे और इन्होंने बोला मुझे एक ऐसी डिश आती है जो बहुत कम लोग को आती है. And then he put it on fire. What do you call that? I don't know.
Wok.
Something like a wok.
किया था.
Yeah,
Yes.
and he puts a lot of
He and Lady G had done.
soya. What do you call that?
I don't know.
यार अपना कुकिंग बहुत खराब है. So whatever you did, that still stays with me, and the way you did it, and it inspired me to learn cooking, but I still haven't. That's a different thing. But on your birthday, I would like to say that with some people, we don't need a reason to connect with. उस दिन जब मैं और नरेश भाई आप लोग के पास आए थे on the table, we instantly connected, and the very next day we were in your house having dinner, which was amazing. You know, there's this movie called Anand, Rajesh Khanna, and he says that sometimes you know somebody for your whole life, but you still feel you don't know them, and sometimes you just need to meet a person once and you feel that you've known them for your whole life. And I think that's the beauty of our relationship, that हम कम मिलते हैं, हम दूर रहते हैं इतना एक दूसरे से, but we value and know each other so much, and not just each other, now our families also. So happy birthday. Thank you for all the memories that you have created with us, our beautiful family, with your beautiful family. And
Thank you for being there for us, for being such amazing friends.
Yeah. And I think what we really enjoyed is, I think, enjoyed knowing your family also. We've been to Nidhi's house, we've met your parents.
We've seen Vanya's birth. And luckily we were there to see her.
Yeah, Vanya's birth time,
Yes,
she
we
was
were
what, 10 days old? I
Yes,
heard
yes,
that. वो तो सही था यार एकदम. उसके बाद मेरा भी मन किया कोई बच्चा. So that's great. So take care, have a lovely birthday, and जैसे ये कोरोना सेटल हो जाएगा, I'm sure we're going to meet again and spend a lot of family time again, and our kids are going to play a lot again. So happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
See you soon. Bye. Bye.
Hi Shiva, wish you a very happy 40th birthday. Welcome to the 40s, welcome to the club, and I'm sure you'll have a lot of fun in this new decade as well. And मिले हुए बहुत time हो गया है, so I think we should try and find some ways or some time to catch up. I know we've been planning a reunion for a long time now, but maybe if a physical reunion is not happening, we should do a Zoom call or some other ways of connecting. So we should definitely catch up, and I hope you get all the things you want in life. I hope you remain healthy and successful, and get all the things that you want. Wish you all the happiness now and ever always, and continue to be the wonderful person that you are, and thank you for your friendship. So happy birthday again, and thank you. Bye.
Recording? Okay. Hi Shiva!
wish you a very, very happy birthday. Did you know you're as old as Rubik's Cube or Post-it? That makes you feel old, right? Never mind. The next thing will make you feel better. You're also as old as Ryan Gosling and Channing Tatum. If given a chance, I'm sure Nidhi would have married them, but she chose you instead, so I think that was a great choice. So thank you so much for making my friend so happy. Thank you so much for being an awesome person. A very, very, very happy birthday to you, and I wish we'll keep wishing you years and decades of more happy birthdays. Bye.
हेलो शिवा भैया, हैप्पी 40th बर्थडे। जन्मदिन की अनंत अनंत शुभकामनाएं। मुझे कहा गया था एक छोटा सा वीडियो बनाना है, लेकिन हमारी मेमोरीज़ और इतनी सारी हैं कि उसको शब्दों में पिरोना बहुत मुश्किल है। मेरे को याद है कि कल्याणी ब्रिज में हम चाय पीते थे, अंकल्स किचन में हम जो बजट खाना खाते थे। आपकी स्ट्रगल से लेकर आपकी सक्सेस को मैंने बहुत करीब से देखा है, ये आप जानते हैं। आपसे बहुत कुछ सीखा है, आपका स्टाइल अभी भी याद है, और बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं जो आपके साथ मैंने बिताई हुई है जिसको बता पाना बहुत मुश्किल है। एक शेर मैं बोल सकता हूँ आपके लिए कि यूँ तो हज़ारों लोग मिल जाएंगे, यूँ तो हज़ारों लोग मिल जाएंगे, लेकिन हाथ पकड़कर चलाने वाला भाई नसीब से मिलता है। तो ये दिल से बोल रहा हूँ, वीडियो बनाने के लिए नहीं। तो ऑल आई कैन से इज़ यू आर ब्रदर फ्रॉम अनदर मदर। और बस फिर आई रियली लव यू, और हैप्पी बर्थडे वंस अगेन। टेक केयर।
When we meet, I remember like it was yesterday. Happy 40th birthday. I remember you were introduced to me as Shivaji Divangan from Raipur in your favorite yellow check shirt, Levi's jeans, and if I recall correctly, Adidas floaters. But soon you became Mamu from one and only Shivaji Divangan. In fact, some days back, अंकिता वॉज रेफरिंग, शिवाजी को देखो कितना क्लीन रखते हैं रूम, हमेशा घर साफ रहता है उनका, और एक तुम हो, हाथ ही नहीं डालते हो सफाई में। बट नाउ आई रिकॉल, भाई कॉलेज डेज में जब सोने जाओ तो रूम साफ है, उठो तो रूम साफ है, लंच करके आओ तो रूम साफ है। अब हमेशा रूम ही साफ था तो कभी इंगेज ही नहीं हुआ। अब इंगेज ही नहीं हुआ तो वो स्किल सेट नहीं आया। अब वो स्किल सेट जब है ही नहीं तो अप्लाई कहाँ करूं, अप्लाई नहीं कर पाता, और एक्सपेक्टेशन बिल्डअप हो गया कि भाई रूम तो साफ मिलना ही चाहिए, ये तो बाय डिफॉल्ट है, बट होता नहीं है वो, तो उसमें लग जाती है मेरी अब। बट कोई नहीं।
तुम जियो हजारों साल, साल के दिन हो 50,000। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे शिवा चाचू,
हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे, हैप्पी बर्थडे, happy birthday to you, happy birthday Mamu।